Welcome to Book2Net. This is a demo video for customers and distributors. If you only want to see certain parts of the video, pause it now to see a table of contents. The Book2Net Archive Pro is a production system specially designed for digitizing archive files and thick books. Scanning files, books and large format originals up to A1 format places special demands on scanning systems and users with regard to care, quality and productivity. Very old, sensitive and valuable files and books in particular must be treated as carefully and conservatively as possible, but at the same time also require a high degree of system flexibility. The Book2Net Archive Pro repro system with height adjustable camera slider offers this flexibility and combines the advantages of high resolution and productive A1 and A2 scanning systems with the advantages of versatile repro systems. Fonts from A1 or A2 to A5+ and a resolution of up to 1200 ppi, as well as the three-side lighting concept, are just a few features that distinguish this unique system and make it possible to meet all the requirements. Designed as an ergonomic floor-standing unit, the Archive Pro offers a lot of legroom, high ergonomics and ease of use. The working height can be adjusted to the needs of the operator using adjustable feet. The frame construction ensures high stability and small vibrations, unlike with tabletop units, are less important. The Archive Pro is available in two different versions, up to A1+ or up to A2+, you decide according to your needs. Quality, ergonomics and efficiency. The X71 camera defines new highlights in the area of modern, digital repro cameras. Our CMOS matrix sensor technology is the key technology of the system and enables high-resolution shots of archives, books, cards, letter and photo collections, seals, and objects of various sizes and structures, and also of transmitted light originals. Manufactured according to industrial standards, the image acquisition takes place without mechanical components and thus absolutely free of downtimes. It is an outstanding feature that also guarantees a high level of investment security. The industrial manufacturing standard of the matrix sensor also offers the advantage of an immense service life and use. The sensor has a lifespan of 25,000 operating hours, which corresponds to a lifespan of 50,000 to 70,000 actual operating hours. In contrast, camera technologies from the consumer sector only have a lifespan of up to 2,200 operating hours. The camera is equipped with high-quality Schneider industrial optics, specially designed for the X71. Chromatically corrected lenses, free from distortion and with an immense edge sharpness, characterize the outstanding optics. An autofocus system developed by Microbox ensures a high level of user convenience and delivers perfect scans. Fixed positions, manual, motorized focus corrections and a complete autofocus control are possible. Always in focus, specially developed for the optics of the X71 and in focus at the touch of a button. The X71 motofocus ensures that you always scan with the optimum image sharpness, regardless of the format position. Even objects with deeper structures, for example seals, for which an adjustment of the sharpness level is advantageous due to their structure depth, can be processed without any problem. Fine adjustment with video preview and digital focus value display allows for the focus level to be adjusted comfortably. The immense depth of field of up to 8 cm ensures that even deep structures and fold areas of thick books and archive files can be displayed in high contrast and sharp focus. The X71 repro camera is mounted vertically above the layout section. This is the only way to ensure that a distortion-free scan can be generated without the need for mathematical image corrections. Flexible and yet always the perfect color and quality. This feature is unique in the A1 scanner segment and ensures tremendous versatility and outstanding quality of an optical resolution of up to 1200 ppi. The the different format positions from A1 to A5 can be conveniently approached. The possibility to load the associated color profiles and adjustment parameters with just one click onto the symbolic format markings is unique. The result: full format shots in perfect quality and the highest possible resolution. And all of this with a scan time of less than 0.3 seconds. The Archive Pro also sets new standards here. You decide whether your scanner needs side lighting, backlighting, or both. Everything is possible with our 3-side lighting concept. Certain books and files must be specially illuminated in the fold to avoid shadows, and large format plans and maps require uniform and homogeneous illumination right down to the edges. The Archive Pro's dual lighting concept combines both. Simply select the corresponding document profile in the software, and the Archive Pro handles the right lighting source, exposure time, intensity, and the correct color profile. The slow brightening of the lamps is gentle on the eyes and saves energy. A continuous light mode without any brightening can of course also be activated. The lighting units are developed and produced by Book2Net according to the highest industrial standards and are equipped with Fresnel lenses specially developed for the lighting units. These ensure perfect light distribution and also prevent unwanted gradients and disturbing reflections. UV, IR and ozone-free, a light exposure of the template of less than 2500 lux, and a lifespan of more than 50,000 operating hours are further features and characteristics. 1 pressure plate, 3 different operating modes. The first operating mode is always indispensable if you want to produce at high speed, with high pressure, and with the greatest possible ease of use. There's no alternative, especially for archive files and extremely wavy templates. The great advantage lies in the fact that the user can still use both hands, for example to smooth out or straighten originals, while the book cradle is transported against the glass plate motorized and pressure controlled. The second operating mode is particularly suitable for files and books with a thickness between 25 and 35 cm, but also for digitizing thin volumes with even higher production speed and little manual interventions, such as turning pages or keeping down wavy documents. Once the book cradle has been adjusted, the glass pressure opens automatically after each scan and can be closed again by hand after turning the page. The production speed is extremely high and the workflow efficient. In the third operating mode, the scanner operates automatically. The user only has to turn the pages and take visual control. The book cradle is raised and lowered automatically, and the scanning process is also triggered automatically. The outstanding book cradle concept is another highlight. Ergonomics and productivity were the main design criteria in the development of the book cradle. High-precision motors and modern control concepts ensure maximum ease of use and high production efficiency. The book cradle has a height compensation of 35 cm and is therefore able to scan even the thickest archive files and books under glass. The special feature is that the 2 support plates are not controlled by one motor, but each side by its own precision motor. This is an important aspect, especially in the case of sealed letters, where it is necessary to lower one side slightly in order to avoid damage. The infinitely variable fine adjustment and a 3-stage pressure presetting with integrated pressure monitoring are further outstanding features and represent an important aspect to avoid damaging your archive holdings. The format-optimized automatic lowering completes the concept and optimizes the distance when lowering the book table after the scan. The production speed of the system can thus be used optimally. Outstanding features of the EasyScan Professional software ensure smooth and comfortable scanning operation of this flexible repro system. LiveView Professional, for example, helps users prepare the scan. The live preview shows the current orientation and positioning, and at the same time serves as an alignment aid. In addition, LiveView shows the sharpness settings and offers the possibility to regulate the sharpness depending on the template. The display of the digital sharpness value enables fine adjustment if necessary. The positioning of the cutting frame and its size can also be conveniently set in live view. The performance of this software package is rounded off by Live Control Professional, which analyzes slanted positions and cutting edges fully automatically and offers a scan suggestion in seconds in the video preview. The big advantage: you can see the result before taking the scan, avoiding incorrect scans, time-consuming rescans, and organizational effort. To use our scanners natively in other applications, for example, to integrate BCS2 from Imageware, or to use it for delivery services such as Subito, we provide an SDK. Other third-party applications can communicate with Book2Net systems via a Twain interface. In order to make the triggering of the scan as ergonomic and user-friendly as possible, there are various options: by mouse in the software, by shortcut on the keyboard, by hand, or by foot pedal. True color management is unique. Directly from the camera, it is possible to generate color binding scans according to the color spaces sRGB, Adobe 1998, RGB, ECI RGB v1 and ECI RGB v2. Thus, we easily meet all requirements of digitization guidelines, specifications and standards. Book2Net technology is particularly environmentally friendly thanks to its durability. Each device has a minimum life expectancy of 10 years and can be updated with cameras and sensors from current series. The systems use very little energy and can be serviced remotely. Our support is available in 16 languages. Contact us for more information or a personal appointment.